The black swan is a large water bird native to Australia, known for its primarily black plumage. Unlike many swans, the black swan is characterized by its black body, white flight feathers, and bright red bill. It's one of the few swans that inhabit saltwater environments as well as freshwater lakes and rivers. Black swans are highly social birds, often seen in large flocks, especially outside of the breeding season. The name black swan has become synonymous with unexpected events, popularized by Nassim Nicholas Taleb's book on unpredictable occurrences. These swans are monogamous, forming long-lasting pair bonds that sometimes last for life. The black swan's diet primarily consists of aquatic plants and algae, which they forage from the water's surface. Its graceful movements and striking appearance have made the black swan a symbol of beauty and elegance in various cultures. Black swans perform intricate courtship dances, synchronized with their partners, showcasing their bond. Though once considered rare, black swans are now common and can even be found in various parts of the world as introduced or ornamental birds in ponds and lakes.